Okay. Today we'll be playing Superpower Fighting Simulator, and we're just gonna do a quick tutorial. So number one, um, always do the quests for tokens and others, and for just reasons. Because you with tokens you can get stuff like transformations, not ancient items. You can upgrade your stats and other stuff. um, so number two, ancient items. You can just get a load of boosts. Mine are at like, I don't know, like something big. I need to ask this guy what his ancient item. So I can just show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See, you can get huge boosters like that. And like all these epic items. They're kind of like pets, like basically. Yeah. And number three, transformations. You can buy these with tokens, and they give you huge boosts. Like, look at this Mecha Dragon guy, the best in the game right now. I'm saving up for this token. This transformation. This guy, he has probably Reaper and Mecha Dragon are his best ones because he's Reaper class. Yeah. Fusion, number 4, I think. Fusions and rings. These things are really good. Just like, they give you just a lot of extra tokens. And fusions give you gems, and they both give you a lot of boosters. And so the rest of the video would just be me chilling. And training areas as well. You can get like, here, let me look at the best training area I know of boost since Sky Island. Like higher up. But like, this is the best boost I know of. Times 3 QI. This is where he is. Yeah, so we also have big boosters in Sky Island. Oh, and a lot of people don't know about Sky Island, but number 6, I don't know. Always use like a golden warrior, golden guardian, or a thing that gives you chest boosters while you get these chests, because normally it gives you like 13k, and I just got 17k instead. 17.5k. And also, always do like daily and weekly quests. They give you look at this. And Gold Trainer. A lot of people don't know this, but daily and weekly quests actually benefit this one goal in the trainer. This quest completed pro. Anubis quest, Poseidon quest. number 7 or 8. Like different islands are good as well. Like look at like you can get chests and stuff. Always have like golden warrior or something equipped when you're getting the chest, because that would normally give you like 10k. Because like it really helps you to like, and don't waste your tokens. Like don't only upgrade like something in stats. Don't only upgrade stats there. And that just will be it for the video. See ya. See